BB-8, is everyone assembled? BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Panda and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Bakara.
I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
As you heard from Ray, I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray. Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Caught in the tractor beam. It's pulling us in. Detained.
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Real quick, get up there.
How many in your crew? 3? Head down this way for interrogation.
Along this wall here.
How many in your group?
2.
This way for interrogation.
Resistance sympathizers step forward.
How many in your crew,
How many
guys?
in your crew?
Head down this way.
Step along this wall here.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your eager resistance. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you. Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Lieutenant Beck will guide you. Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the terminal at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Oh my God!
see no evidence. How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the...